Hey car enthusiasts, we're lighting up 2024 with our brightest and most popular LED kits, our Saber ProX 65W and Saber ProX 55W Accu V2. But with both shining equally bright, how do you choose between the two? Let's break it down. 1. Both LED kits have sturdy aluminum bodies that are rust resistant, heat resistant, and waterproof, guaranteeing durability in any weather condition. 2. Both LEDs come with advanced canbus function, a feature designed to integrate with various modern computer systems, preventing dashboard error codes. 3. Both LEDs feature an ultra-thin 1mm lamppost gap between the LED chips. This cutting-edge design guarantees precise beam projection. Okay, so what sets them apart? 1. So the Saber ProX 65W LED kit is actually brighter, emitting 14,000 lumens a pair. But the Saber ProX 55W Accu V2 isn't too far behind, delivering 12,500 lumens a pair, just 1,500 lumens less. 2. The ProX 65W LED kit is a bit bigger than the ProX 55W Accu V2 LED, but only by a quarter inch. 3. The ProX 55W Accu V2 is available in warm white, alongside the standard yellow and cool white, while the ProX 65W is only available in yellow and cool white. Regardless of your choice, both options promise durability, performance, brightness, and an overall superior driving experience. So whether you're on mountain roads or city streets, we offer a wide range of lighting solutions catered to your lifestyle needs.